Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the coolest gadgets to make your daily life easier and more fun. Today, we're diving into the top 8 must-have kitchen gadgets that will transform your cooking experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just love spending time in the kitchen, these gadgets are sure to impress. From innovative tools that save you time to clever devices that simplify your tasks, we've got something for everyone. So, let's get started. Stick around till the end to find out which gadget tops our list, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy this video. Alright, let's jump right in with our first cool kitchen gadget. The glass pickle jar with strainer flip from White Rhino, a versatile 34-ounce container for olives, gherkins, or sliced pickles. Made from high borosilicate glass, it's lead-free and BPA-free. The upgraded lid seals tightly with a food-grade silicone ring, keeping pickles fresh longer and your fridge clean. Its non-slip silicone base ensures stability in storage. Dishwasher safe and featuring a convenient strainer flip design, it simplifies separating pickles from juice. Available in colors like light blue, dark green, and smoky gray to complement any kitchen. Priced at $22.98, with Prime offering it at $18.39 plus free international returns. Enjoy discounts with promotions like 5% off 2 items or buy 6, get 1 free. With over 2,500 ratings averaging 4.3 stars, it's a trusted kitchen essential. The electric lunchbox food heater from Montika, a powerful solution for enjoying warm meals on the go. This upgraded 100W high-power portable food warmer features a 1.8L removable stainless steel container with a double-layer design, ideal for packing varied, nutritious meals. Its strong leak-proof construction, including latch sides and a built-in rubber sealing ring, ensures food stays fresh and secure during travel, even in bumpy conditions. Made from premium food-grade materials, including 304 stainless steel, it's odor-free, durable, and easy to clean. With 4-in-1 versatility, 110V/220V for home use and 12V/24V adapters for cars and trucks, you can enjoy hot meals anywhere. The PTC heating system ensures fast and even heating, maintaining optimal temperature and moisture for a delicious meal in just 20 to 30 minutes. Perfect for office, travel, camping, and more. This lunchbox is a must-have for anyone who values convenience and freshly warmed food. The M11 Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer from Unerver, a game-changer for food storage enthusiasts. This electric vacuum sealer kit includes both wide and regular mouth mason jar lids, designed to preserve flavor, nutrition, and freshness. With a high-performance motor and powerful suction, it creates a vacuum environment in just seconds, extending the shelf life of your foods and reducing waste. Made from durable ABS plastic and food-grade silicone, it's safe and easy to use. Simply place it on the jar lid, press the button, and in 10 seconds or less, it's sealed. Rechargeable via USB, it's cordless and portable, perfect for home, travel, camping, and picnics. Ideal for busy chefs and families looking to simplify food preservation. The M11 Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer ensures your meals stay fresh wherever you go. The LuoCoCo Cute Egg Separator from Amswish, a charming addition to any kitchen. This ceramic separator features a novelty hand-painted design of a cartoon chick, adding fun to your cooking routine. Simply crack an egg into the top opening and watch as the egg whites flow out of the chick's mouth, separating cleanly from the yolk. Made from high-quality ceramic, it offers smooth inner walls for easy cleaning, dishwasher safe for added convenience. Ideal for microwaves, ovens, and disinfection cabinets, it's versatile and safe. Whether for yourself or as a gift, this practical and adorable tool is loved by all ages, perfect for kitchens, bakeries, or outdoor cooking adventures. The Lotus Trolley Bag, large club cart version from Lotus Trolley Bag Store, the ultimate solution for organized grocery shopping. These extra-wide reusable bags fit perfectly into large trolley carts at stores like Costco, Sam's Club, and more. making it easy to sort and access your groceries. Made from non-toxic, machine-washable materials, they're eco-friendly and durable, eliminating the need for plastic bags. Each set includes a patented insulated bag for frozen goods, along with specialized pockets for wine and eggs, ensuring everything stays secure and at the right temperature. Designed for convenience, they fold flat and store compactly with removable poles, perfect for road trips, picnics, or the beach. The Kitchenmuh Electric Jar Opener, designed to make your life easier with a simple press of a button. Perfect for those with arthritis or weak hands, it effortlessly opens jars of all sizes, including tightly sealed ones, using a powerful high-torque motor. This hands-free solution provides independence and confidence, making everyday tasks manageable. Compact and adjustable, it fits most jar sizes and stores easily. Ideal as a thoughtful gift for seniors or anyone needing assistance in the kitchen. For best results, wipe the jar before use and avoid plastic, irregular, or conical jars. Simplify your kitchen routine with the Kitchenmuh Electric Jar Opener, your ultimate companion for hassle-free jar opening. The YouCopia FreezeUp Freezer Food Block Maker, a must-have for meal prep and freezer organization. This 2-cup, 2-pack set is designed to fit quart-sized plastic food storage bags, making it ideal for freezing leftovers and soups conveniently. It stands vertically to hold bags open for spill-free filling and creates thin, space-saving blocks of food, measuring approximately 2.0-inch dx 4.5 WX 4.5 H. With silicone bands that expand as food freezes, these blocks are easy to remove and store. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic. The Joseph Bloom Folding Steamer Basket for Vegetables, your perfect kitchen companion for healthy cooking. This updated model of the Lotus steamer features self-adjusting sides that fit various pots and pans with a minimum diameter of 7 inches. Made from BPA-free polypropylene and silicone, it's heat-resistant up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit and 520 degrees Fahrenheit respectively, ensuring safe and efficient steaming. When fully open, it offers a large capacity, yet folds neatly for compact storage, measuring 6 inches in diameter and 5 inches tall when closed, and expanding to 10.5 inches in diameter when in use. Dishwasher safe and suitable for non-stick cookware, it includes an easy lift for cook for added convenience. Perfect for steaming vegetables and more, the Joseph Bloom Folding Steamer Basket makes healthy cooking easy and enjoyable. Explore these innovative kitchen gadgets and more at their respective stores to enhance your culinary experience. Whether you're looking for convenience, organization, or a touch of fun, these products are designed to simplify your kitchen tasks and elevate your cooking adventures. Don't miss out. Transform your kitchen today with these must-have tools.